Hello everyone, I am chefRogerVlog and I'm back with another video. Today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I make a homemade mayonnaise from scratch. Okay, this is all my ingredients guys. All you need is 2 eggs, you need some vegetable oil, and here I have some olive oil, and right here a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Here I have a little white wine vinegar, and here I have some freshly squeezed lemon. Welcome back everyone. Okay, first up we're going in with 2 eggs. I'm going with the white wine vinegar, lemon juice, roughly a teaspoon. Now you want to season it. Garlic powder, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper. Right. What you want to do now guys is put the lid on. You open it so you can get some air. You take your time slowly. To bring your egg and your black pepper and salt together, and at this stage okay guys, that's our meal. Okay, what I want to do now guys, this is our olive oil. So you want to press it again. The homemade meal made easy. Alright. Here are the finishing touch guys of the homemade meal. Look at it guys, wow. So creamy, so rich, so flavorful. Guys, you can give this a try. If you enjoy watching this video guys, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, share with your friends and family, subscribe, and please remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from Chef Roger Kitchen. Until then, see you guys in my next video.